Okay, so you have installed Linux on your system, but you have hit upon a problem when you start to use the sudo command. It's saying my username is not in the Sudoers file. Damn, how do I get out of this? I'll show you right now. On any Linux system, the sudo su command also works. The way to be able to bypass this is the su root command, which allows you to become a root user. We can now type in standard commands with no issues. I was trying to access the Sudoers file earlier, and as you can see, I can now view it, and with a bit of luck, I will be able to edit it. What is the Sudoers file used for? To control which users or groups can run commands with elevated privileges. To edit files in Linux, there is the Vim or Nano editor. Here, I will be using Nano and accessing the etc/sudoers file. Once within the file itself, scroll down to the section that says User Privilege Specification. To give mine or anyone else's account full privileges, mimic the root account. In this case, it is Gino followed by space, then all in capitals, equals, then open brackets, all in capital letters :all, close bracket, space all. Control O and then Control X to save the file. If you want to double check your typing, run a cat/etc/sudoers command to check the syntax. Looks good to me. Okay, so the last part is to test it. Exit out of root and install an app, any app you want. I decide to install the Neo Fetch package with apt install, which presents the details of your OS in a CLI fashion. Let's see. Oh yes, it is installing now, when before we could not. Let the install run, and see that it has installed safely. To finish up, let us check that the package installed correctly by running it at the command line. Perfect. Our Linux distro is now fully functioning and I am root. Thanks for watching this one today. It's short, to the point, and you will have full control of your Linux distro. Like, share and subscribe for more videos like this, or just watch our playlists. See you again real soon.